Arizona is beautiful. It is a place like no other. South Central Arizona is a true hot desert environment defined by its bedrock and brutal climate. It hosts an incredible ecosystem, every part of which is adapted for survival in this harsh space. In 2020, we saw the temperature exceed 38 degrees Celsius, that's 100 degrees Fahrenheit, for more than 145 days. This was a record, but it is one that is likely to be broken. So what happens when humans live in this kind of harsh environment? What are the challenges for developing livable urban spaces? I am an urban climatologist, and I have chosen to live in this beautiful place because it is absolutely ideal as a living laboratory for heat. Let's look at urban spaces in the desert. This is ASU. The Phoenix metropolitan area, also known as the Valley of the Sun, is in the northeastern reaches of the Sonoran Desert. Phoenix has a desert climate designated as Köppen Climate Classification BWH, which basically means it's hot and dry. Phoenix features about 300 blue sky days per year and averages an incredible 4,000 hours of sunshine. On average, air temperature in Phoenix peaks or exceeds 32 degrees Celsius, which is 90 degrees Fahrenheit, for a total of 175 days each year. Nighttime air temperature is usually above 20 degrees Celsius, or 68 degrees Fahrenheit, between July and September. The region only gets about 237 millimeters, or 9.3 inches, of rain per year. Most of the rain occurs in the winter, between December and March, and during Arizona's monsoon, which runs from mid-June through September. 2020 was one of the hottest years on record globally. That summer, Phoenix broke all heat records on the books. Phoenix had 2 weeks of maximum temperatures of over 46 degrees Celsius, or 115 degrees Fahrenheit, and almost 2 months of over 40 degrees Celsius, or 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Over 300 people died from heat that year. Cities in the hot American Southwest are on the front lines of stressed water resources, extreme heat, and population growth. They are projected to be increasingly burdened by climate change. Recent summer heat waves in Phoenix could soon become the new normal. At the same time, they may give insight into possible future heat waves in other cities around the world. Phoenix's hot climate and rapid urbanization patterns make the metropolitan area a perfect testbed to study extreme temperatures, their impact on people, and to develop heat mitigation strategies. Phoenix is a perfect living laboratory that allows us to test cooling solutions in real-world settings, in real neighborhoods, with real people. It's a testbed to develop adaptation and mitigation strategies that cities with less extreme climates may need before the end of the century. Cities in the metropolitan area are recognizing and sometimes even embracing their distinctive position as climate pioneers. For example, the city of Phoenix is the first city in the nation to establish a publicly funded Office of Heat Response and Mitigation to fight the growing hazard of urban heat. ASU has been ranked #1 in innovation for several years now and has been at the forefront of applied, solutions-oriented research. The university has a long-standing collaboration history with local governments in the valley to co-produce knowledge and address sustainability challenges such as extreme heat. For example, researchers have teamed up with the cities of Phoenix and Tempe to assess the impact of cool pavement on heat, investigated the cooling benefit of highly reflective roofs on bus shelters, and co-developed tree and shade master plans. The Department of Energy recently awarded $25 million to an ASU research team to collect climate data as Urban Integrated Field Laboratory, and the Arizona New Economy Initiative currently supports an Extreme Environments Science and Technology Center to increase resilience to climate extremes. Because it's hot out here, and getting hotter, we can use this beautiful desert as a place to get a head start on science that has worldwide implications. After all, climate change is something that all of us are going to have to deal with. The more we can understand about heat mitigation, and the earlier we can develop tools for dealing with extreme temperatures, the better every city on Earth can be equipped to contend with the climate of the future. This was ASU. Thanks for watching.